Hi, I'm Michael, this is Dan. We're two engineers here at Aurora Storage Products. Today we're going to be showing you everything you need to know about the Quik-Bed, from a general overview to detailed assembly. Let's get started and show you how to do it. Every Quik-Bed kit comes with the following components. You'll receive 2 header and footer boards, a mattress, an incline module, 2 main beams, a central galvanized stiffener, 5 bed slats, 4 main beam ties, an IV stand, and 2 side rails. In order to assemble each Quik-Bed, we suggest a team of 2, no experience required, and the only tool is a mallet. Let's show you how to assemble the Aurora Storage Quik-Bed. And here is the Aurora Storage Quik-Bed fully assembled.